Have you ever seen code like this in C# and wondered what exactly is this lambda doing? In this video, I'll explain what a predicate is in C# in the simplest way possible. No jargon, no confusion. Welcome to Code Rush. First of all, what is a predicate? A predicate is simply a function that asks a yes or no question. In C#, a predicate is a function that takes an input and returns a boolean, either true or false. This function is a predicate because it checks a condition and returns true or false. That's it, you have the quite here. Now in modern C#, we usually write predicates using lambda expressions. This is just a shorter way of writing the same function. You give it an input, it checks a condition, and it answers true or false. If a function returns a boolean, it is probably a predicate. Now, let's see where predicates are used all the time. The where method here doesn't know what you want, so you give it a predicate. LINQ then asks this question for every item. Should I keep this one? Yes or no? Let's take a look at these examples. Each of these lambdas here is a predicate. They decide what stays and what goes. Another important thing to note here is that LINQ doesn't filter data. Your predicate does. So think of predicates like filters in real life. Only adults, only active users, only products in stock. Every time you filter data in C#, you are asking a yes or no question. So to recap, a predicate is just a function that returns true or false. If this finally made sense to you, let me know in the comments, like the video and subscribe. Take care.